Mamaearth Nourishing Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint. Sounds something interesting and new? Yes, it is a new launch product. If you want to see the review and the demo, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar hauls and reviews. Now today the product which I'm going to talk with you about is a new launch product from Mamaearth. It is their Mamaearth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint. Basically this is the product. I'm going to show you the demo, going to give you all my thoughts and everything. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now before moving ahead with the demo, of course during the demo I have to remove my lipstick, but I'll just tell you what is there right now currently on my lips. It is basically from Sugar. It is a matte as hell lip crayon in the shade 03 Poison Ivy. This is the shade what I'm having right now on my lips. Right, now we'll move ahead with the product details and everything. The outer packaging of this particular lip, eye and cheek tint comes like this. As you can see, each and every detail about the product, like the name and everything, is given on the front side. It says, as I told you, Mamaearth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint with vitamin C and rose petal. This is what is given. It is said creamy matte, made safe and long lasting. That is what is given on the front side, and it contains 4 grams of product. That is what all the details are given over here. Right, when you check on the other side, it shows you the swatch of that particular shade. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture or no. It's given over here. This is the swatch. On the third size, it gives you all the details, that is direction for use, how to use, caution, manufactured by, query and contact. Each and every detail as well as the shade name is given over here above the barcode. It's written in very small font, but when you check over here on the top, they have given you the shade name very clearly. As well as on the bottom also they have given you. So if at all you are not able to see over here, don't worry, you have the shade name here as well as on the bottom. On the back side, if you check, they tell you net content. As I told you, it is 4 grams. The MRP of this particular product is 399 rupees. It is manufactured in 12/22, that is last year December. It is manufactured, and it is good to use for 24 months. That is what is all the details given over here. And when you check the shade name, it is given with the shade particular strip, the shade which it resembles. The strip is given, so you can make out from the outer packaging itself. Now when we open the outer packaging, it comes in this kind of cushion packaging, so that the product is intact. It doesn't get any damage or anything. So this is basically the inside of the outer packaging. Now when we talk about the inner packaging is very cute. You can see this is a round shape inner packaging, white color. It says Mamaearth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint Vitamin C. That is what is given on the outer packaging, and it says made safe. That is on the front side, and on the back side they give you the shade number. Okay, I forgot to tell you, it comes in 3 different shades. Right now what I'm having is 2 shades out of 3. One shade, that is Cocoa Nude. I have not purchased that Cocoa Nude because I felt I was not sure how it will look on the cheek, so I went for Beetroot and Rose Pink. These 2 shades I have purchased. I'll show you the demo one by one, and that is why you cannot see any cheek product on my cheeks. I never apply anything. Most probably I don't apply anything on my eye. And lipstick, of course I'll remove, and I'll show you the lip swatch also. And when you check on the back side, it says the shade number, manufactured by, the net content, manufacturing expiry and the MRP. Each and every detail is given over here. So if at all you want to throw away the outer packaging, definitely go ahead and throw away. You get all the details. When you open the cheek tint, it comes with a plastic film, of course, to save the particular product. Over here I will not show you, but over here they have the mirror on the lid. They have the mirror, and this is the shade. This is 01 Beet Red. Sorry, this is the shade 01 Beet Red. I'm showing you from the far also, and I've given you a close-up also. Okay, this is the first shade which I've got, and the other shade, as I told you, is rose pink. Of course, same mirror, and this is the rose pink 03. Showing you from far and showing you from the closer also. Alright, now what I'll do is, first I'll show you the hand swatch. This is beet red. Yes, it is very creamy. It is very sheer. Basically, it is very sheer. I'm taking the beet red shade. It's very sheer, you can see. This is beet red. Alright, and now I'm taking the rose pink with the other finger. This is rose pink. I'm showing you the hand swatch. The first one is beet red and the second one is rose pink. Right, so same way, this is beet red finger. I'll take the product first. I'll dab little bit on my cheeks, and if at all required, I'll use my beauty blender to spread the product because it's a creamy product. Now we'll take the rose pink shade with my this finger. See, for this I had to use the beauty blender because I thought it was little bit darker or maybe a little bit heavy. I went little bit heavy, so you can see. You can build up more also. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove my lipstick and apply. What I'll do is I'll apply this rose pink on half and this other one on other half, so that you will have an idea. So I'll remove in front of camera itself. So I'm just removing my lipstick first. So now I'm taking this beet red on this side, so on half part of this side of lip. Basically, I want to see whether only with the finger can we apply it. Of course, it's very difficult to apply only with the finger. You need to have a lip brush. I have the lip brush, but I don't want to use, because sometimes if we are on the go and we are just using something quick fix, then definitely we don't have that time lip brush. So I'm applying with my finger. You can see this is the beet red shade on my left, and on my right I have the rose pink one. You can see rose pink one looks little better, but when you apply it goes on the outer rim of the lips, so you have to be little bit careful. Now what I'll do is I'll just try to apply little bit on my lids, both rose pink and beet red, and just we'll see. Of course I have applied my liner, but then still we can just see. Yes, now it removes the eyeliner, so you have to be very careful. Of course right now for the demo part it's okay, but you can see I've applied the tints and everything. Now what I'll do is I'll just quick fix my lips and I'll come right back. Yes, now you already have seen the demo on my cheeks, on my eyes, as well as on my lips. There are 2-3 things which I would like to just get into your notice. If at all you are applying on your eyes, first apply this tint and then go for the eyeliner. Of course it's a creamy product, it will remove your eyeliner. Right now it has removed a little bit, but then it's okay for me because I just wanted to show you. Right. Second thing, if at all you want to have some very natural shade, then only go for beetroot shade. Otherwise, with the name, if you say okay, beetroot will be little bit darker and it will give you a punchy effect. No, it is not. It is very sheer. You can see on my cheeks also. If you want to go for some natural look, definitely beetroot is the answer. And if you want to have some rose pink, pinky cheeks, pinky lids, as well as pinky lips, then rose pink is the answer. And now you will ask me whether we can go for it or no. Yes, definitely go ahead and buy, provided if you get these products on discount. but I'll just suggest you, if at all you are getting, because Mamaearth also has very good offers, very good sales, and when I got this product, even I got it on very good discount. It was, I think, 15 to 20% off. So I purchased this product on that particular price range. So go ahead and check Mamaearth's website. Whatever is the best, buying link and everything, it will be given in the description, it will be pinned in the comment section. So go, if you want to make your own purchase, you can just click over there and you can make your own purchase, as well as whatever are the best discount codes or maybe referral codes, it will be given in the description box. So if you want to use that, you can use that. With the Mamaearth, I don't have any discount code, so from that you can make out this is not a sponsored video. Yes, not sponsored video. These products are purchased by my own money. I just would like to tell you few of the important details. This Mamaearth is cruelty free, best of nature, no toxins, and plastic free brand. I have my notes over here. As I told you, it comes in 3 shades, 4 grams of product, 399 rupees. And the claims, the USP or maybe the special features is easy to blend, creamy matte finish, long lasting. It contains, like this particular contains vitamin C and rose petal, the rose pink, rose pink one contains that, and the beetroot one contains vitamin C and beetroot. That is, vitamin C is basically the common product or maybe common ingredient in both the things. Rose pink one includes rose one, and this beetroot one includes beet one, right? And powerful antioxidant, brightens the skin. Okay, now what is the use of vitamin C? It is a powerful ingredient which fights against their antioxidant, and which works as an antioxidant, and it brightens your skin. Now I have tried to cover each and every point, but still, if you feel I have forgotten anything, or if you want ask me anything, let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can go ahead and you can DM me over there. I'll try to respond you as soon as possible. And if at all you have any other video request or maybe video suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request or maybe suggestion as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, there are a lot of ends. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't go without liking the video. One last thing, if you feel it is transferring or anything, then definitely it doesn't. It gives you, after applying, within few seconds, it gives you a powdery finish. So this will not transfer, as you can see. Little bit tacky, but not much, and it will not transfer. That is what I wanted to tell you. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.